If you really didn't know me in person, would you think this is my hair? Don't lie. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique LaShae. For those who don't know me, I know y'all looking at my hair like, oh my god, Dominique tried a color wig. Yes girl, I did. Shout out to y'all. Y'all be careful with me because I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Shout out to Hurela, but hey, it's gonna be on the screen. Shout out to y'all for sponsoring this video, y'all. This is your V-part wig. If you stick a lace, glue, lace can be itchy, freeze, spray, all that. Like you in the club sweat, your lace coming up. If you sick and looking like you got a fishnet on your forehead, baby, you need the V-part wig. Don't y'all see how natural this look? But we ain't gonna do too much talking, y'all. Y'all already know. I like when I'm watching the video, I be like, girl, get to the point. So y'all, let's get into the video. Okay, hey you guys, as you can see, I already prepped my hair, and y'all, my hair was already in a ponytail, so that's pretty much why I didn't show it. But I just did a little V right here and then twist this up, and I did wash out my leave out so it can match my hair a little bit. This is the hair, and I'm gonna leave all the details. I think it's on here. No, it's not on here. I think it's, correct me if I'm not pronouncing this right, Hurela hair. Hurela hair. I'm gonna have all that on the screen, y'all. I'm gonna have all that on the screen. So with this V-part wig, y'all, we're gonna do this in less than 5 minutes. Y'all already know when it comes to wigs, I don't like nothing complicated. Like, I don't like all this. So this is the hair. I did get a little color this time because I got sick of the basic black, y'all. So let's see. It got the caps and all that. I mean, it got the combs. Can y'all see that? The combs right here. The comb right here. Then it got the thing right here if you want to tighten it up. Right there, if you want to tighten it up. We're going to put this one. I don't like my wigs that tight on my head. We're going to go and put it on the last one though. Okay, the only thing we're going to do is put on this wig cap. Push it back a little bit. Then we're going to take the wig. This is the hair, y'all. It is natural state with nothing in it. We just going to take, I hope this blend with my hair. I just thought about that when I'm trying to be all fancy. I'm putting this back comb in the middle of my head. And then you're just going to bring this up. Hold on. I gotta bring this mirror, y'all, so I can see what I'm doing. Y'all see what I'm doing, but I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. You're putting this V right there, and then you basically just snapping it. Get it as close to the part as you can so it can look, it needs to look natural. That is it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm feeling this color on me, but we're finna see. We're finna fix her up. But I don't know if this blending. I mean, if this... Okay, we finna see. We finna see. I've never been good at making straight parts. Never. I got some curl cream for my hair. Maybe I should have just got black. Maybe it would have blended. I'm about to treat her like my hair. It look funny right now, but I look like I got the bike right now, but hold on, give me a minute. Okay, y'all, we back. So I wetted like the entire wig or whatever, but my problem is I'm not sure how to blend my hair with this, like for real. I'm struggling. I ain't even lie to y'all. This the first time your girl is struggling. Maybe if I had some ego. Change your plans, y'all, because that curly cream ain't doing it. We finna try this. Oh, my camera finna die. I'm trying to run this through where? I'm trying to, there we go. Okay, what if I put some? Okay, y'all, I got one notch left. We gotta try to finish this video off this one notch. So I twisted my hair with this hair because I'm trying to blend it as I can. I want to do my edges somewhat how I always do. It's not blended as I would like it, but y'all get the point. With this wig, you can treat it as a no leave out. With my hair, as you see as curly it is, I would treat it as a no leave out. You can also treat it as a headband wig, however you want to do it. Like if you just sick of the lace, the glue, any of that, get y'all a V-part wig, like, period. Yeah, this wig like made me want to get color hair so bad. Like, look at it. Look at it. And then it looks so natural. I still have the frizz, the little frizz going on, so it can look like my hair. I don't want it too, you know, perfect to where it look like a wig, but don't lie. Would you think this my hair? Look at it, y'all. Stop playing with me. Quit playing with your girl. Quit playing with your girl. And then I did these little 2 braids right here. Quit playing. It's so pretty. I'm feeling this color. I might have to get my real hair this color. Like, y'all already know when I put on wigs, I get in snatch a nigga mode. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, do all of that, y'all. Engage with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we out of here. Period. Snatch a nigga season.